If you want to host containers on Azure, you can use Azure Container Instances if you just need to spin up a container and not worry about anything else. Azure App Service if you're hosting some web apps in containers. Azure Functions if you've got short-lived event-driven workflows. Azure Kubernetes Service if you want a full-blown Kubernetes cluster to run your workloads. Azure Container Apps if you want a lot of the power of Kubernetes but don't want to manage it yourself. Azure Red Hat OpenShift if you want to put OpenShift on top of Kubernetes and have Microsoft manage some of that for you. Azure Batch if you've got batch workloads and you want to make them run on containers. Azure Service Fabric if you want to use Microsoft's orchestrator for containers rather than Kubernetes. And finally, you could also just run an Azure VM and install Docker. So lots of options for hosting containers. Use the one that's best suited to your workloads.